Welcome to accountancy class. We are in unit 3, prime entry. We shall see about the meaning of account. We have already seen, but let us see that account is basic unit of identifying and accounting. So unit of identification you can say. It is also said in other words like it is a presenting of material information regarding a particular person, item at one place under one head. அதாவது ஒரு particular transaction பத்தி ஒரு heading கீழே எல்லா டீடைல்ஸும் இருக்கிறது தான் account. So systematic presentation present பண்றீங்க. எப்படி systematic present பண்றீங்க? என்ன present பண்றீங்க? All material informations about what regarding a particular person. It can be about a person. The person may be a debtor, he may be a creditor, he may be a proprietor. Okay. Or items. Item means it can be a goods or it can be different types of expenses, it can be revenue. Okay, at one place. At one place here refers to the ledger la or a particular page number la under one head, under one heading. Okay, so this is what is called account. It is a systematic presentation of all material information regarding a particular person or item at one place under one head. இதுதான் meaning of account. சரி, இந்த அக்கவுண்ட்ஸுக்கு வந்து அப்ரோச்சஸ் இருக்கு. ரெண்டு அப்ரோச் சொல்றாங்க. அதாவது அந்த டிரான்சாக்ஷன் ரெக்கார்ட் பண்றதுக்கு டூ அப்ரோச்சஸ் ஆர் தேர். One is accounting equation approach, another one is a traditional approach. So இந்த ரெண்டு approaches வந்து நம்ம டீடைலா பார்க்கலாம். இப்போ வந்து accounting equation approach அப்படின்னா என்ன அப்படின்னு பார்க்கலாம். Okay, first one we see the accounting equation approach. Here we say that assets, the relationship between assets with that of the liabilities. Okay, the relationship of assets. Assets na enna appdi nama erkanave paathirukom. All that which belongs to the business or which helps in the running of the business to earn profit, and that of the liabilities. Liabilities, payment to the outsiders by the business. Okay, the relationship of assets and that of the liabilities to outsiders and to owners in the equation form. இதாவது assetsக்கும் liabilitiesக்கும் எல்லாம் இருக்கக்கூடிய அந்த relationship equation formல நம்ம present பண்ணனா அது பேரு accounting equation approach. Okay, so capital plus liability is equal to assets. So asset is equal to what? Capital, the amount which is contributed by the proprietor, plus liability, the business which owes to the outsiders. So these two is equal to the value of the asset. Okay, so capital, here they have said it can be also called as owner's equity. Capital ki innor per enna? Owner's equity. Liabilities ki innor per enna? Outsiders equity. Okay, so this is what they say, owner's equity plus outsiders equity is equal to asset. So once again they say accounting equation அப்படின்னா it is a mathematical expression which shows the total of asset is equal to total of liabilities and capital. இது இந்த formula தான் இங்க explain பண்ணிருக்காங்க. This is the accounting equation, that is total of asset is equal to total of capital plus liabilities. This is expressed in the mathematical expression that is called accounting equation. Okay, now we have to think that not only assets and liabilities affect the transaction or a thing, we have revenue and expenses also. The revenues and expenses enna பண்ணும், it will affect the capital. The expanded equation adnala the revenues and capital நம்ம include பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா asset is equal to what? Liabilities plus capital. இது ஏற்கனவே பார்த்தது. Plus revenue minus expenses. Okay, so they add the revenue and subtract the expense. This is equal to assets. This is what they say. So under this heading, they are classifying the, under this approach, account are classified into 5 categories. Under this approach, in approach, accounting equation approach, accounts are classified into 5 categories. What are they? Asset account, liability account, capital account, revenue account and expense account. So 5 categories இவங்க explain பண்றாங்க. Asset account na enna? Physical thing or right owned that has monetary value. Something which is owned and that has some value of money. Adukku example land, building, plant, machinery இதெல்லாமே. Liability account na obligation of the enterprise. Okay, what they are committed to the outsiders. That is shown under different head. Example, creditors account, expenses outstanding account. Expenses na செலவுகள், outstanding na pay பண்ணாத சில செலவுகள். Maybe they have to pay the rent, or they have to make the salary payment, or they have to make a premium for insurance. Now all these, if it is not yet paid, okay, you call them as outstanding. So that is called as expenses outstanding account. Now all this is liability account. Next we see the capital account. Capital account na enna nam erkanave paathirukom. Here business financial obligation of a business enterprise towards its owners or grouped under this category. Obligation of the business, nama as per business entity concept enna padichirukom, owner is different from the business. So we consider the business as an entity, a separate existing artificial person. So enna solranga, financial obligation yarukku, business enterprise yarukku financial obligation towards owners are grouped under this category. Example, capital contributed by owner. Then revenue account. Revenue account la enna solranga, all accounts relating to revenue of the enterprise. இது கீழ தான் categorize பண்றாங்க. So what are the various sources of revenue? Sale of goods, rent received maybe, or dividend received, or interest received. All these we consider it as revenue. Then revenue இருக்கும்போது expenses கட்டாயமா இருக்கும். So what are the various types of expenses? Expense incurred and loss suffered for earning the revenue. எப்பவுமே நம்மளுக்கு வருமானம் வரணும், செலவு பண்ணாதான் வருமானம் வரும் இல்லையா? அதுதான் இங்க சொல்றாங்க. Expenses incurred and loss suffered for earning the revenue. They are grouped under category. Example, purchase of goods, salaries paid. So all these are categorized as expenses. Okay. So this is what are the different types of heading when revenue and expenses are added under this equation approach. Clear, children? So this is what you call as accounting equation approach. This is a mathematical expression which shows the total of asset is equal to total of liabilities and capital. So this asset is equal to liabilities plus capital. That is based on dual aspect concept. That is the double entry concept of accounting. Okay, and then when revenue and expenses affect, we expand the equation like this. Asset is equal to liabilities plus capital plus revenue minus the expenses. So I have given the explanation under each heading. Okay, now we go on to here. Asset is equal to liabilities plus capital அப்படின்னு சொன்னோம் இல்லையா? சரி, அசட்டோட வேல்யூ 30,000, அப்போ liabilities 20,000, அப்போ capital இங்க என்ன வரணும்? Liabilities plus capital. அப்போ 20,000 minus 30,000, what will come off here? Now here 20,000 minus 30,000, the balance is 10,000, isn't it? So you have to make an entry of 10,000. Okay, next one. Here you have 60,000 as assets, liabilities is 25. So what is the balance? Come on. So 25 minus 60. So the amount is, yes, 35. Next one. Now you can tell they are saying assets. So liabilities plus capital is equal to assets. So 25 plus 30, that is equal to the value of asset. So what is it? The value is, yes, 55,000. Okay, next one. Similarly, liabilities plus capital 80,000 plus 10,000, that is the value of asset. That is going to be 90,000. Okay. So similarly, you try out what is the amount going to be here now. Try it out. 15,000, 25,000. So capital is given as 15. So from 25 subtract 15. What is the amount balance here? Yes. What is the amount coming there? Have you? Is it correct for you? Clear, children? Next. The asset is 40,000. Liabilities plus capital. Now they know the capital, we have to find the liability. So what is the amount of liability? 40,000 minus 30,000. So it's going to be 10,000. Okay. This is it. The accounting. You have to. Here they have given the answers also for that sum. Okay. Check it out. Now you get all such items as 2 mark sums. Clear? I will explain this in detail of preparing accounting equation in another video. Thank you, children.